Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylan. Today we have a very interesting lesson. We are going to look at all the way that we can use the word bon. We are going to see bon as an adjective, bon as an adverb, bon in a few expressions, bon as a noun, bon in greetings and wishes. And then finally, stay until the end because bon has a very specific pronunciation in some cases. So that's very interesting to know. All the chapters are going to be in the description box. If you want to go from one or the other, it's easy to click in. And all the videos I'm going to talk about today are all going to be in the description box as well. Let's start with bon as an adjective. It's probably the most common way that we use the word bon, maybe in wishes and greetings, maybe. But the thing to remember about bon as an adjective is that it's always going to be before the noun. Bon is never after the noun, okay? If you have trouble with adjective and where to place it, I'm gonna put a few videos in the description box as well. So if you know about French adjectives, you know that they become feminine, masculine, plural depending on the noun. So we have bon, masculin singulier, bonne, féminin singulier, bon with the S that we do not pronounce, for masculin pluriel, and bonne, we don't pronounce the E and the S, for féminin pluriel. So that's quite easy to remember. Now the tricky part is that bon as an adjective can have three different meanings. It can mean good, nice, or right. But for us, we only have the word bon. Let's see a few for the translation good. First one, ce gâteau est bon. Ce gâteau est bon. This cake is good. But it's not only about cake and food. You can also say Laura est une bonne élève. Laura est une link, bonne élève. Laura is a good student. Or if you talk about a movie, you can also say c'est un bon film. C'est un bon film. C'est un link as well. It's a good movie. Now let's see bon as nice. Nous avons passé une bonne journée. Nous avons passé une bonne journée. We had a nice day. And finally, the one when the translation is right. Ce n'est pas le bon ticket. Ce n'est pas le bon ticket. It's not the right receipt. So remember that ticket in French is a receipt. It's not a ticket for you. Be careful. Ce n'est pas le bon ticket. It's not the right receipt. You can also say ce n'est pas le bon numéro. Ce n'est pas le bon numéro. It is not the right number. Now let's see bon as an adverb. The good news with bon as an adverb is that it doesn't change. It's not like bon as an adjective which become bonne. This one stay bon. I chose the two most common ones for this one. The first one is faire bon. Faire bon. And we use it only for the weather. Il fait bon aujourd'hui. Il fait bon aujourd'hui. It's nice today. It's a nice day. You can say both. The second one is sentir bon. Sentir bon. To smell good, to smell nice. Ce parfum sent bon. Ce parfum sent bon. Now let's see bon in a few expressions. Actually, 4 expressions. The first one, pour de bon. For good. Il ne reviendra pas, c'est fini pour de bon. Il ne reviendra pas, c'est fini pour de bon. It won't come back, it's over, for good. The second one is bon marché. Bon marché, which means cheap. Ce pull est bon marché. Ce pull est bon marché. This sweater is cheap. And the two last one, I put them together, so we have ah bon with an exclamation mark, and the second one is ah bon with a question mark. So the first one means I see. It's more, if you're in a situation, if you say, oh, it works like that, and you can say, okay, I see. Ah bon. There's no surprise, really. You just say that you're okay, you see. That's fine. The second one is ah bon with an interrogation mark, which means really. So if you get a very interesting story from one of your friends and you get surprised, you can say ah bon? Ah bon? Okay? Now let's see bon as a noun. I only choose one. We have a few, but we don't use them that much, so I don't want to put too much in your mind. So the one that I choose is un bon. Un bon. And you can also say un bon d'achat. D'achat. Which is a voucher or coupon. So you can say j'ai un bon de $5. J'ai un bon de $5. Or you can say j'ai un bon d'achat. D'achat. Of purchase. D'achat de $5. I have a $5 voucher. If you want to say bon d'achat or bon, it's the same thing. Both are perfectly fine. Now let's go to the next chapter, which is wishes and greetings. I have a video on that. I did that at the beginning of the year, already 8 months ago. So I only choose 5, but there are 17 in the video. I will also put the video in the description box if you want to check it out. So the first one today is bonne année. Bonne année. Happy New Year. The second one, bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire. Happy birthday. If you want to wish a good day to someone, you can say bonne journée. Bonne journée. For a good vacation, bonnes vacances. Bonnes vacances. And to say enjoy your meal, we say, you probably know this one, bon appétit. Bon appétit. I have 12 more on my video if you want to check it out. And now the pronunciation. Pronunciation of bon, bonne can be a bit tricky. You might have heard something when I was on the wishes and greetings. So we are going to keep 2 of them and we are going to work with those. The first one is bonne année. Bonne année. So you agree that for bonne, we pronounce the B, we pronounce the O, and we pronounce the N. We, of course, don't pronounce the E. So bonne, bonne, okay? But if I say bon anniversaire, bon anniversaire, I don't say bon anniversaire. Or I don't say bon anniversaire. I say bon anniversaire. The pronunciation is exactly the same for both, and that's because of the link. So bon ends with a consonant. Anniversaire starts with a vowel. So when we pronounce it, we have to make the link. So it sounds exactly the same as the first one. Bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire. If you have a question or if you have more information about the word bon, please share it in the comment section for others. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, it really helped me. And I will see you soon for another lesson.